It's Wednesday, April 22nd, 2026, 12:07 p.m. Windy. I'm at UCSB Lot number 6 up against the cliff fence. Campus Point parking lot anyway. Camera's about 45 feet elevation. Air temps pushing 70. Water temp somewhere around 59, 60. Humidity is about 45%. So that's Mesa Lane Beach down on the left down there. 6.5 miles. Background is La Conchita Beach, 22.7 miles. And as you can see, it's windy as heck. It's pretty clear overall, but I can't see in the bright sunlight here what's going on. Typical low water horizon, apparent horizon. I can't really even make out the spot here right now. Head on down the coast. Back out a bit. Travis is camping down there on the coast, but I don't think it's good to do a mirror flash until the sun's way behind me, so just before sunset really, half hour or so before sunset. Hour or so even. Yeah, I think he's probably hidden down there right at 20 feet up or so. He'd be right in there somewhere. Yeah, everything's pushed way down. So that's platform Hogan there at 17.8 miles. The tree's just poking above the waterline there at 30.6 miles, 280 foot elevation approximately. The grove of trees up to the left, 320 feet, about the same distance. I wonder if I can get a better focus on that. I'm afraid to lose it. So there's Houchin and Conejo Mountain, 51 miles, 1,800 feet. Pesky Ridge all the way across there to Henry and behind to the right. Henry's at 16.4 miles. The ridge would be about dead center at 50 plus miles, 900 to 1,000 feet. Saddle Peak's back there too. 71.5 and 2789 foot elevation. Those ridges in the background are like 2,800 feet, 55 miles typically. So there's Hill House, 14.6 miles. Platform A. Platform B. Platform C. Let's see if I can get a better focus without losing it. Not really, huh? There's Magoo Peak, 50 miles, 1,260 foot elevation. Yeah, quite a bit of upward reflection, which causes a sinking or downward displacement effect. Upper 4. Back across the pesky. Lower 3, back to the tree. Zoom on the tree here. Right back up to Mesa. Looks like maybe a sailboat out there with a very reefed main, practicing this heavy weather sailing. That'd be exciting, huh? Okay, over and out.